What's going on, guys? So I have a problem with my car. It doesn't have a reverse light, and then when you put it on reverse, there's a 5-second delay before it engages, and then also it doesn't have a R on the dashboard. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. All right, so the engine's running right now. Pay attention to here, the P. I'm gonna put in reverse, and also pay attention to the RPM. So I'm gonna put in reverse. There is no R, and then the engine or the transmission slammed really hard. Now put it on neutral, put it on drive. I'll put it back on reverse. See how it jumps. So what I'm gonna do right now, I don't recommend this to anybody. I put it on reverse, put the handbrake on, and I'm gonna let the brake off. So this car can roll backwards. So I don't recommend this. Do not do this. Okay? I'm the one who's gonna do this, but you do not do it. I'm gonna show you I don't have a reverse light. No reverse light. Okay. And I'm gonna put it back on park. All right, so that's the symptom I've been getting for over 3 months. So no reverse light, no R indicator on the dashboard, and also when I put on reverse, there's a 5-second delay, and then the transmission slams. Once it engages, it slams. It's not a smooth shift. So I ordered the part about 2.5 months ago, and I got the part, and I'm gonna replace the part. This is the part. Let me show you guys what the part is. Well, before I show you the part, let me show you what I did first before I ordered the part. So this is the fuse box inside the cabin. So in here, you can't really see it here, but if you have your own car, look at the 5-amp fuse that says backup or reverse light, or reverse, backup or reverse. Check all those fuses. So I check all the fuses in here. The fuses checked okay, and then also I also checked the fuses here. Where's the cover? Here's the cover. So here's the cover. In here, in this cover, also check the anything that says backup or reverse. So in this car, this particular car, it has an IG back and backup, and they're all 5 amps. So I checked all of those, and all those fuses are okay. So I ordered this part right now. I'm gonna show you. I ordered the part. It took about two months. Okay, so the part costs around 8,000 pesos. That's about less than $200, US dollars. So in pesos, it's 8,000, something like that. All right, to install the new part, first turn off the engine, put wheel chocks on the wheels, place the transmission on neutral. The metal arrow will point up at the gap. Mark the cable nut position and the bolt with a whiteout paint so you can put the neutral safety switch device on neutral. All right, let's test it out. Here we go. Okay, I'm gonna put it on I'm gonna put it on reverse. The reverse light is right there. And the transmission did not slam. Let me repeat that again. Put it on park. Put it on reverse. The transmission did not slam. And here's the transmission. It's on reverse. Put it on neutral. Put it on drive. Everything is smooth. And I'll put it back on reverse so I can show you the reverse light is working. It's on reverse right now. The handbrake is fully up right now in the upright position. And my foot is on the brake. I'm gonna let it go. And I do not want you guys to do this. It's not safe. What you can do is to check the reverse light. You can shut off the engine. Okay? And then put ignition on, engine off. This is the way I would recommend it. So engine off, ignition on, engine off. The engine is not running right now. But see, you notice right here, see the RPM is 0. You still have the R for reverse. We're on reverse. Let's go back in the back and I'll show you guys. We got the reverse light. It's working now, guys. Okay, that's how I recommend it because it's safer that way. But I'll show you with the engine on. Hold on, let me put it on park first. I'll start it. All right, the engine is on. I'll put on reverse. The transmission smooth. It engaged it smoothly. It did not slam. We're still on reverse. Handbrake is on. Foot, I'm gonna release it. Okay. I do not want you guys to do this, okay? I don't want you guys to do this. This is only for demo only. Okay, this is only for demo. Engine is still running. It's on reverse. Handbrake is on. Okay, do not do this. This is only for demonstration. Only for demonstration. There you go. I gotta get back in the car. Put it on park. Alright guys, so I test drove it. I did all the tests. Everything seems to shows or indicate that everything is normal. The transmission now, when you put it on reverse, it's normal. The dashboard indicates reverse R. Also, when I put it on reverse, the transmission engages really smooth. And then the back, once again I checked. the the reverse light is on, so it's back to normal. uh, I hope you guys benefit from this, and I hope this video was helpful. And another thing before I go, I just want you guys to know that if you guys have a faulty neutral safety switch, another symptoms you'll get is when you have it on park, it will not start. The engine will not start, or the starter will not engage, or it will not turn on, I mean. And then if you put it on neutral, the car will start. But it will not start on park, but it will start on neutral. Or vice versa, whatever. It's because the neutral safety switch is really faulty. It's very rare for the neutral safety switch to have problems, but they do have problems. But so don't eliminate that in your troubleshooting. The anyways, I'm just rambling now. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for watching and for your support.